You want to make these cheddar biscuits right here? Well, come on. Have you guys ever tried these Red Lobster cheddar bay biscuits, man? Hey, they got these now. You can make them at home. Man, these are a winner at Red Lobster. So I said, let me go ahead and do a review on how these box taste, the ones you make at home. See if they really taste like the real deal. You know what I mean? I'm not gonna do nothing fancy to these, but you know me, I may add a little more cheese. But no, I'm gonna make these exactly how it is in the box and what the instructions say on the box. Okay, so let's do this. We're gonna start off here with 3/4 cups of water and a cup of cheddar cheese. That's it, folks. You know I want to put more, but I'm not gonna do it. I'm just gonna put what it say, and that's it. That's simple, you know. Just a cup of water and some cheese. We're gonna get that all mixed up till everything is all good and blended. Not no dry flour in the bowl. Now go ahead and get your ovens heated to 425, but you're gonna already know that because the box tell you. But I'm just telling you what it told me to do while you watching me do it. Now you can make these the size you want. I'm gonna make mine's probably a good bite size, maybe 2 bites in one, but you know, man, it's your thing. Make them like you want. Now it's one more step the box say. This right here, we gotta make our garlic, butter, and herb mix. And that's what we're gonna put on top of the biscuits when they come out the oven. So let's do that right now. And you know me, folks, I did go ahead and drizzle a little bit more cheese on the top at the last 5 minutes before they got through. But hey, man, come on, man. Cheese me up, baby. Y'all know I love cheese. And there they are, folks. They are just as good as the restaurants. Bon appetit. I hope you enjoyed making these. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And thank you for watching.